Hey guys, and welcome back to another Roblox video. Today I'm playing Skywars. Remember last time I had the wood? Well, this time I don't. I had a frost pack and I had my frost armor. And I'm gonna go get my group helmet on right now. So I don't need really much, but right now I'll be respecting other people while I wait for another round. Like you said, my first better than me. Because you guys want to win, I just don't play much. And I got a new avatar, you see. I deleted my name. This is the same account, I just got a new one, please. So don't I just want my own delay and stuff. Okay, let's just spectate. I don't know how to do this. 3 minutes. Oh, it's okay. Or I wait for the other people. Okay, Christmas pack. I can still bound for my frost pack. See? I don't know. Okay, wood. I can handle wood. And a frost pack. Now frost pack is light for me, but will just be tight, but I might be stronger as well. Okay. I might get my own stuff though. I might get something, but I can't, because I don't want to use my wood or a group anything, because I don't want it for anything. I got my own stuff right now. Okay, I just got my brother back. Okay, so he'll be joining us for this video. He got even cooler. Kind of missed it, but I can still show you with my frost pack. Here's the Christmas pack. Yeah, I just call Christmas pack. He calls it mask pack, but I call it Christmas. He just talking to me, and I don't care. I don't care, man. Okay, bye. Do you hear him? Because I did not like it. That guy probably got beat up. I'm sorry, but he is scheduled. He is not. I'm going to record this. Sorry, bone. I'll get you. I'm not afraid of you. Okay, we both died, you saw. So we might do one more round, then we'll be done, okay? Then I'm going to go to a different game so I can record it, okay? Because I need this one to be published first. Okay, so this might be a 6 minute or not. So I have to get my own stuff out to escape. I saw that, but I need a big one. It's okay. So we might be going this for the next round. Cause I don't play much. Cause you know I can only play on weekends and Fridays I have to clean up stuff. My brother likes to play, so I'm not really. But he plays on computer a lot because he doesn't like his tab we got for Christmas. And I love playing it on. I like it. So I only had dinner. Anyway, I'm waiting for it. I do not like the VIP. I do not like VIP. The VIP doesn't get it when I do it. So I like it. So it's okay. When you see it, you see it all. You see everything happen, then it is. Cause it's easy. Like you said on the group, you have to, only reason this is group, it says one way, but you just have to join the group. You have to go and find the group, and then you'll be able to come in this area. But mega people can get cheap, because they can hop out over here, and they can just hop back in. Oh, you're not members, you can't do anything. It will be 1 in 1 minute. Frost Pack Butter Tea. He's running because he can't handle a battle pack. It's this, but he's on my right. So it's not a big deal because he's not playing. On this notice that I'm recording. Like he says he's in the video. So you see, you won't be in the video, just come in the screen, then you'll be in the video. So we're clearing here. I will get you up a one. You do that, me. So I will take that down. Yes, I will. I don't know what's in my brother showing me. When is it? No. It's not. Because you know what I do. Because I can't handle a pack. Packs are good too. Good. I messed that up. I'm gonna bust this. Don't you even see I'm in the battle tree. I don't really like the trees. I just have to make this demo reader, but then I'll be recording me. But I just have to record me. So I'll try to back up. Oh, yeah. Like those. Okay, this will be the end of the Roblox video. Bye.